Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Vibes. Today I am super excited to share my 15 amazing pothos varieties, from the classic favorite to some rare beauties. These are probably the best plants most of us ever get because they are super easy to grow, look gorgeous, budget friendly, and also great way for filling your home with lush greenery. The botanical name of pothos is Epipremnum aureum, but few varieties of Epipremnum pinnatum are also considered part of the pothos family. These plants are fall in the same genus Epipremnum but belong to the Araceae family. They share the same tropical, climbing or trailing growth habits and thrive in warm and humid environment. Similarly, now pothos often confused with Scindapsus because they look alike, but they are actually two separate genera. Earlier taxonomy actually grouped Epipremnum and Scindapsus together in the Araceae family. Pothos generally have smooth leaves with golden or white variegation, while Scindapsus have velvety leaves with silvery sheen. But no need to stress over the technical stuff. I have grouped them into three categories: pothos, Scindapsus and Epipremnum. So let's get started with the varieties. So the first up is the Golden Pothos, the classic. These green lush leaves with these golden streaks are iconic. They are super easy to grow and thrives in low light, but they really stand out in bright indirect light. In low light, get dark leaves like this but without any streak, but if you keep them in bright light you will notice green leaves with golden streaks. This plant grows so fast. I have given cuttings to many friends because it just keeps growing. This one I have started from the cuttings from this original plant and it's completely filled the pot. It's the perfect plant to kickstart your gardening journey. Next we have this Neon Pothos. Isn't it gorgeous? I am huge fan of these bright lime green leaves. They really add such pop of color to any room. The growth rate of this plant is quite good. One thing you need to consider is that neon love bright indirect light, so keep it near window for best glow. Say hello to Pearl and Jade Pothos. This one is all about elegance with its green, cream and white variegation. This variety is compact and ideal for desk and shelves, but it's often confused with Enjoy Pothos because they both have similar variegation patterns. The key difference is Pearl and Jade tend to have more pronounced white patches and more rounded leaf shape, while Enjoy has more defined crisp edges with greater contrast between green and white. My tip for this variety is it needs bit of more light compared to other pothos varieties to show their best variegations. Manjula Pothos, one of my absolute favorites. Those wavy leaves with their stunning swirls of white, cream and green are work of art. But Manjula is bit of diva. She loves bright indirect light. If she doesn't get enough light, she might lose those gorgeous variegation. I really love its leaves artistic pattern, which gives it more dynamic and textured look. If you love marbled plants, the Marble Queen Pothos is for you. It has elongated heart-shaped leaves with smooth edges. The variegation features creamy white marbling spread evenly across the green leaves. She is easy growing, but again if she doesn't get enough light, she will lose its variegation. You can see here these leaves are growing downward. They are not getting enough light, so they don't have any variegation. Next we have this Global Green Pothos. It is relatively new variety known for its unique leaf pattern. This variety have green leaves featuring subtle darker green variegation. The variegation is not as bold as other pothos styles, but it adds beautiful depth to the foliage. Now let's talk about the unique Sleeping Pothos green, also known as Epipremnum Shangri-La Pothos. What makes it super special is its fascinating curled and twisted leaves that give a whimsical exotic vibe. Unlike other pothos varieties, the leaves never fully unfold, maintaining their quirky appearance. And here is its variegated version with stunning neon leaves. So which one you prefer, the green Sleeping Pothos or the variegated one? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's talk about Scindapsus. I have Scindapsus pictus and its exotic sibling Scindapsus silver plash. Many plant lovers get these two mixed up, but they have some distinct differences. Scindapsus pictus features smaller heart-shaped leaves with delicate silver spots scattered across the dark green foliage. The leaf texture has soft velvety feel and the matte finish. Scindapsus splash on other hand have larger elongated leaves with bold silver splashes that cover significant portion of the leaf. These two are stunning and rewarding varieties of Scindapsus you must have. Scindapsus jade satin variegated. I love its growth pattern and its unpredictable mint variegation on leaves. The dark green foliage is beautifully complemented by mint colored variegation. I discovered this stunning plant at an exotic tropical plant show in Bangkok. I had it about 6 months now, although its growth rate is quite slow, but I truly appreciate its elegant pattern and can't wait to see how it continues to grow here. Scindapsus simbara, another rare beauty. I am not sure about its exact name, but it was sold as Simbara. It's known for its stunning white and grey variegation that's absolutely mesmerizing. The elegant shape of its leaves adds to its uniqueness, setting it apart from other Scindapsus varieties. And its unpredictable white and green patches make it even more special. This variety loves bright indirect light and humid conditions. Definitely a plant that adds elegance to any space. This beautiful vine is quite slow growing but an elegant addition to your home. It is compact and bushy, so good choice to keep it on tabletop. I like its silver green leaves that have soft metallic shine. Its unique color makes it stand out from the other houseplants. It's slow grower but super easy to care for, perfect plant for beginners. This plant thrives in low to bright indirect light and doesn't need frequent watering. Now let's see my Epipremnum pinnatum plants. If you want plant that's always ready to impress, this one is for you. It is absolutely stunning with its green variegated marble leaves. I love this plant, especially its foliage pattern. It is super easy to grow and looks amazing as a trailing vine. For faster growth and more variegated leaves, keep it next to the bright window. Finally, the Epipremnum pinnatum aurea variegated, also known as yellow flame. Its stunning leaves start small and lance-shaped, but as they mature, they grow larger and develop those amazing fenestrations. In the wild, especially in tropical region, it can grow massive size, but indoors it stays more manageable, but still gives that tropical vibe. So that's all the beautiful varieties of pothos I have. Which one is your favorite, or do you have rare pothos I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Garden Vibes for more plant care tips. Until next time, take care and happy gardening.